This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Vanguard Zadie. To begin your journey, simply log into Fortnite during the designated quest period. This action activates the special challenges. Your primary goal is to earn 50 account levels through regular gameplay. You can easily monitor your progress by navigating to the Quests tab within the game, ensuring you stay on track to claim this unique cosmetic. Beyond the main outfit, there are additional cosmetic rewards to earn. By reaching 15 account levels, you will unlock Zadie's Blade Pickaxe, a stylish tool for your locker. Continue your progress, and at 30 account levels, you will acquire Zadie's Blade Back Bling. These two items perfectly complement the Vanguard Zadie outfit, allowing you to showcase the complete set in your matches. To efficiently earn account levels, focus on completing your daily, weekly, and milestone quests, as these offer substantial experience boosts. Playing different game modes, such as Battle Royale or Zero Build, also contributes to your level progression. A fantastic feature of the Vanguard Zadie outfit is its evolving style. Your highest achieved rank in any competitive mode will unlock special emblems on the skin. To maximize your leveling speed, consider playing with friends, as this often grants bonus experience points. Keep an eye out for any special in-game events or limited-time modes that might offer accelerated experience gains. Remember, these quests are typically available for a limited duration, so make sure to complete all the level requirements before the specified deadline to secure your Vanguard Zadie outfit and its matching accessories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.